Ever found yourself staring at a digital wallet, wondering if it could handle your international transactions? Like, you're trying to send some crypto to a friend in another country, or maybe you're dealing with a freelance client who pays in a currency you're not familiar with. The big question is, does your wallet actually support the currencies you need? Today, we're diving deep into that very question, specifically for Beam Wallet. Now, let's be real, the world of digital finance is a whirlwind. Currencies are constantly evolving, and keeping track of which wallet supports what can feel like trying to catch smoke. You've got your mainstream cryptos, your stablecoins, and then you've got a whole host of traditional fiat currencies to consider if you're bridging the gap between digital and traditional finance. Beam Wallet, like many others, aims to streamline this process, but the key is understanding exactly what it brings to the table. So, what currencies are we talking about? Beam Wallet primarily focuses on the Beam Privacy Coin, which is its native cryptocurrency. This means seamless, private transactions within the Beam ecosystem are given. But the story doesn't end there. The team behind Beam Wallet is constantly working to expand its functionality. Now, while the direct support for a wide range of traditional fiat currencies might not be the core focus, Beam Wallet does facilitate integration and interaction with other platforms that do. Think of it as a hub that connects you to broader financial networks. This is crucial because it allows for conversions and transactions that bridge the gap between Beam and other currencies. This is where things get interesting. The flexibility of Beam Wallet often relies on its integration with exchanges and other financial services. These integrations are key to allowing users to convert Beam into other cryptocurrencies or even fiat currencies. This means, while you might not directly store every single fiat currency within the Beam Wallet interface, you can access those currencies through the connected services. It's important to understand the difference between direct currency support and the ability to interact with other currencies through integrations. For example, you might be able to easily convert Beam to Bitcoin or Ethereum, and from there, to other cryptocurrencies or fiat via a connected exchange. This is a common practice in the crypto world, and Beam Wallet leverages this to provide a wider range of financial options. Keep in mind, though, that the specific integrations and supported conversion options can change. It's always best to check the latest updates on the Beam Wallet website or within the app itself. The team is dedicated to improving user experience and expanding the wallet's capabilities, so new features and integrations are often added. In essence, while Beam Wallet's primary focus is the Beam Privacy Coin, it offers a pathway to a wider range of currencies through its integration with other platforms. This allows for a degree of flexibility that's essential in today's interconnected financial landscape. Always stay informed about the latest updates and supported integrations to ensure you're getting the most out of your Beam Wallet experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.